Python's most efficient way to choose longest string in list. I have a list of variable length and I'm trying to find a way to test if the list item currently being evaluated is the longest string contained in the list. And I am using Python 2.6.1. For example, surely there's a simple list comprehension that's short and elegant that I'm overlooking.
From the Python documentation itself, you can use max.
Len h c equals max len x for x in my list, so just h equals max my list key equals len.
To get the smallest or largest item in a list, use the built-in min and max functions. As with sort, you can pass in a key argument that is used to map the list items before they are compared. This URL looks like you could use the max function if you map it correctly for strings and use that as the comparison. I would recommend just finding the max once though, of course, not for each element in the list.
What should happen if there are more than one longest string, think 12 and 01? Try that to get the longest element. And then regular for each.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.